6 plus 13 times 3 equals? Answer is 57. 30 plus 5 times 5 equals? Answer is 55. 14 plus 5 times 8 equals? Answer is 152. Simplify the ratio 60 to 66. Answer is 1011. A $150 item has 10% off. What is the sale price? Answer is 135. 6 colon 6 equals 36? Answer is 36. A $200 item has 25% off. What is the sale price? Answer is 150. 15 plus 5 times 4 equals? Answer is 35. 13 plus 3 times 3 equals? Answer is 48. 40 is what percent of 100? Answer is 40%. 12 plus 13 times 4 equals? Answer is 100. Simplify the ratio 55 to 20. Answer is 11 colon 4. 90 divided by 10 plus 9 times 10 equals? Answer is 99. 40 is what percent of 400? Answer is 10%. 80 is what percent of 400? Answer is 20%. Simplify the ratio 22:10. Answer is 11 colon 5. 4 plus 5 times 5 equals? Answer is 45. 25 is what percent of 100? Answer is 25%. 2 times 10 plus 8 equals? Answer is 28. Simplify the ratio 24 to 4. Answer is 6 colon 1.